When IMT first designed our FPLS, Hadron, and Genesis surgical positioning platforms, our goal was to evolve the safety of everyone in the operating room, improving safe patient handling for surgical caregivers while simultaneously facilitating the high reliability needed for safe, standardized, and secured patient positioning. All current foam-based positioning products require surgical staff to physically lift the entire patient off the high-friction surface in order to move them, as they are all tethered to the lower part of the table when lithotomy is required. This keeps them from bunching up or tearing the pad underneath during movement. After the patient is moved to a position like lithotomy, a routine process that forces staff to move patients 7 to 14 inches on average, the staff must then roll the patient back and forth to tuck the arms. Ironically, that same draw sheet also wipes out the effective pad-to-skin surface area needed for maximum traction and stability. All of these laborious processes force staff to create workarounds. For example, because staff doesn't want to lift and move heavy patients with a sheet, they'll expect anesthesia to intubate and manage the airway from a distance. Or worse, they will put inflatable devices underneath the foam pad, which should never happen, which can undermine the integrity of the positioning.
The Genesis and Hadron systems were designed to vastly improve these processes without compromising safe patient handling or staff ergonomics. They eliminate variances, shortcuts, and workarounds typically employed by staff dealing with the complexities of patient handling and positioning. They're especially effective at ensuring efficacy and safety when working with larger patient populations.
And while our patented FPLS platform is already designed with 8 handles to equalize and balance the heavy load of moving both patient and pad, SLD Technologies' airframe and AirLift systems take us to an entire next level.
The mission of SLD technology today is to eliminate healthcare-acquired infections and healthcare harm. This is a platform that's a disruptive technology. The system really starts with the airframe, and the airframe is the air delivery component that helps us control the contaminants in the space. What our system does is it creates a pressure over the patient to push those contaminants away. With that, you have attachments that can go to it that support the structural elements of the room. So all of the monitors and all of the surgical lights that you see in the room, we provide that, and it's part of the product. Now it's possible to remove up to 90% of patient handling processes from start to finish without compromising performance and efficiencies needed in the operating room. But we just want you to take a look at this and give us a chance, and we can prove to you that this is a much better way to go. We invite you to witness this synergy in action and find out more about how our two companies are advancing the care and safety for everybody in the operating room.